everybody, Andre with Garage Door Guidance again. Just want to do a very fast video on how to replace the battery on your wireless keypad. These keypads are usually on the outside and give you access to getting into the garage. I have this just on a 2x4 just so I can show you guys how to do this. So I don't have to worry about the weather and the sounds getting in from wind and stuff like that. So I do have the keypad linked down below, as well as a universal one. If you don't need this exact one, I'd say just do the universal just to be safe, because you don't know exactly what garage door opener takes which keypad. So if you need the universal keypad, I'll have that below, but I will also have this Chamberlain down below as well, just in case you do need this one. On to the video. So basically all you do, you flip this open, super easy. A little cover right here. Just push some pressure onto it, pull down, and that breaks it loose. And there you are. You got a little that little 9-volt battery right here. You just pull it out, unplug it, plug the new one back in, slide it back down, and put the cover back on. Very easy. Very simple video. Just want to do that real quick for you. For those of you that didn't already know how to do that. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you guys in the next video.